Instagram Reels scroll down problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application or on your Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of the Instagram application on your device. As you can see on the screen, there is no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of the Instagram application. So now just go back and also check for your internet connection. Make sure that you have stable internet connection over here. And after that, you can just make a long press on Instagram and then tap on app info. Then tap on clear data option, and if it's possible, you can clear all data. If not, you can just clear the cache. And then tap on OK and just relaunch the Instagram application, and this might help you fix the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.